direction. Yes. Honey Bunny. Be cool, Honey Bunny. This is a crosswalk, Honey Bunny. I can't believe I'm still talking with so much cotton in my mouth. Okay, look. 7-Eleven. Oh my God, we need a drink. Come on, Ross. Dress me for less. Then we smashed some Chipotle and headed back to our room at the Motel 6 for another gross shower. Then we hit the road to go to the Dream Factory, which is Jerome Baker's glass shop just outside of Vegas. I saw Astro again and hopped on his live stream.
Hey, come here. I'm live right now. Do me a favor.
Yo.
I need you to hold this while I take a night.
Absolutely. Yo, what up? What up, punks?
He's like, I need you to hold this fucking camera so I can hit this fucking deal. Hey, God
So
damn.
cool to meet this homie in person. This is the first time I ever met Astro face to face. Look at this, right? This is like one of the first, 3 dabs ever in our lives. Of many more to come.
Yes.
From there, we headed back to Astro's crib. He grabbed some sick cinematic shots of the drive, too. And when we got back, I met even more you homies. Baking Arizona had some fire stuff from Frostbite that we were all checking out, and it was amazing to see everybody coming together over this plan. Like your hand in the video. Then it was time for Fremont Fridays. Me and MV Closet Med Grower found a table on Fremont Street and the party was on again. The bomb was going around, tubes were getting stuffed, and everybody was super hyped. The police didn't like that at all, and they were like, you absolutely can't be doing that here. But I just hit them with the,
sorry, officer, I didn't know I couldn't do that.
but this still wasn't the last time we will see.
Oh shit, he said I hit him with the I don't know, I can't do that.
And the squad doubled in size. Hell yeah. We posted up in front of a stage, and Nick and Pigeons were feeling it. My homie was getting loose. Rob said this is called the Canadian Grip Walk. And Rob was just out here twisting up this dry-ass cigar with one hand while holding a beer like it was nothing. A true master at work. But I did see this store that I heard was a tourist trap that sells CBD to people that don't know any better. Wink. And as the night wound down, most of the crew headed out, but Nick and I stuck around with NV Closet Med Grower. We checked out the giant metal praying mantis down at Container Park, and it was very sick. But I did not get to see it breathe fire. We made one last stop at Gold Spike to play some games, but they made me stash my bag in the car because I had too much
So I missed it, but we got it all there.
in the Gold Spike, but inside I met Zoltar, and he said, you will subscribe to my channel right now, and you will be greatly rewarded. When we left, I forgot my stash in the car down the road, and then came the most embarrassing moment of the entire trip. How about this? They needed a lighter, the joint is canoeing, and I don't even have a lighter. Got all the string show shit on, he's got it on his damn shirt. Damn. I'm so sorry. You want me to find you a lighter? Oh, you got a lighter? Lighters,
So with it being in December, at least it's getting to get good. It's gonna be hoodie weather. I have to get me a new hoodie made. Maybe 2 or 3. Hell, I'm gonna be down there for about a week. Down.
You might be on the MJ Biz 2024 recap.
Yes, I hope so. But you disappointed me. You don't have a lighter.
I know, and that's fair.
You're wearing a weed sweater. You have dreads. You look like you smoke hella weed, and you have no lighter.
That's super fair.